Hey guys, today's video is going to be a video about secrets. I'm going to tell you guys some secrets about Poshmark. Some secrets that I've learned over the past, how long have I been doing this now? I've been on Poshmark for 4.5 years, but I've been full selling. I've been full selling real time. I've been reselling full time for almost 1.5 years now. And these are just some secrets that I've learned and I want to share with you guys. Okay, first thing, some of these I might have talked about before, but I just wanted to compile a list in one video. First thing is the quickest way to share on Poshmark without using a bot. Of course I had to say the B word in this video. The fastest way to share on Poshmark without using a bot is on an iOS device. So either on your iPhone, your iPad, go to Safari, log into your Poshmark account that way and share that way. It is the quickest way to do it. It is quicker than sharing on a desktop computer. It is quicker than sharing through the app. There is no lag time. Quickest way to do it. Be careful though, because you know, sometimes it does get tricky. Sometimes I don't use my thumbs. I use this finger. Like I go like I don't share like that because I feel like this way is quicker. Anyway, sometimes I mess up and I hit, instead of the little share thing, I'll hit my name and then it'll bring me to the top of my closet. Then I have to scroll all the way back down and that's annoying. But definitely the quickest way to share. Another secret that I've learned is playing the counter game. Majority of the time, I would say like 85–90% of the time will result in a sale. What is the counter game? All right, let's say I list something for $30. Somebody counters at 15 and you're like, no. You don't want to go lower than 20, say. So you counter back at 28. They counter back at 16. You counter back at 27 and you continue to go back and forth. Play that counter game. Once I hit my lowest offer, I just keep countering back. And honestly, the majority of the time people will realize, hey, okay, she's not going any lower. You know, I tried to get something for cheap. It didn't work. I really want this item, so I'm just gonna accept it. Honestly, I would say like 85–90% of the time, it results in a sale. And the other times, you know, you just have people, you know, looking to get something cheap and they just want to be cheap and they're just like, meh. But it's definitely worth playing the counter game for sure. It can get annoying, it can get tedious. I've literally gone back and forth with someone all day long. Not like continuously all day long, but you know, we've countered back and forth throughout the day and it has resulted in a sale. So play that counter game. Sharing other people's closets, I've said this before and still some people are gonna disagree, but honestly, I stand by it. It's not worth your time. It really isn't. When you share somebody else's closet and when they share your closet, it goes to the top of the feed. It doesn't go to the top of a search. Majority of people buy things on Poshmark through search, not through the feed. Is it a nice gesture? I mean, sure, you know, you're sharing it to your followers' feed, but is it gonna result in something? It's very wishy-washy, and again, it's not worth your time. You're way more likely to make a sale when you share your own items as opposed to having somebody else share your items. So, you know, if you're striving for that Poshmark ambassador status, once you meet those 5,000 community shares, just stop sharing. Focus on sharing your own closet. And I'll stand by that forever. Another secret I have is, let's say you find, you know, like a really cool item at the thrift store. I'm trying to think of something like, I don't know, like a really cool sweater, like a really cool print at the thrift store. And you're like, oh, this is cool. This is a trendy print. And you look at the brand and it's like, I don't know. I don't want to say a brand to like offend anyone, but let's just say it's not, it's either not a popular brand or not a brand that people have heard of before. You want to buy that item anyway. My secret is, when listing that item, do not put the brand name in it. Brand names definitely shy people away sometimes. So when you're listing the item, just be as descriptive as possible and omit the brand name. You still might show the brand name when you're taking pictures of like the size tag, but in the actual brand field, don't put a brand. Another secret is, if you want to send someone an offer but you don't want to give them a shipping discount, create a bundle for them. Another secret is, if you want to get your follower count up, follow as many people as you can. That is the quickest way to get followers. It is so simple to do. It does not take a lot of time to follow people. It's literally just tap. You can literally go through and follow like 100 people in a minute. It is the quickest way to get your follower count up. Some people argue, oh, follower count doesn't mean anything, but I mean, the more eyes that you have on your closet, the more potential sales you have. So in my mind, I want as many followers on Poshmark as I can get. So my last secret, I've just come to realize this recently. Thank you, pregnancy insomnia. I sleep like 3 to 4 hours a night now. It's great. A lot of people ask me, when is the best time to share? When is the best time to make sale? My answer is, if you live on the East Coast, between midnight and 3 a.m. It sounds crazy. It sounds crazy, right? So the equivalent West Coast time would be 9 to midnight. Guys, honestly, the past, hold on. Let me see if I can do this. The past week, the amount of sales that I have made after midnight, it's crazy. Because again, I've been up, pregnancy insomnia. I'm like, I can't sleep. Let's just get on my phone and, you know, make my brain work even more and send offers on Poshmark. So this one is a sale at 4:22 a.m. This one was $119. This one was $12.58. 10:59, 12:07 a.m. 12:22 a.m. 3:13 a.m. and these are recent sales. Wait, hold on. This one is 1:38 a.m. This one is 11:35 p.m. and 4:40 a.m. Those are my most recent sales. Like, so if you're a night owl, take advantage of it. Share on Poshmark, send offers to likers. People are buying in the middle of the night. I don't know. Maybe they can't sleep and they're like, shit, I'm gonna do some online shopping. I don't know what it is. And it's funny because not all of those sales were people on the West Coast. To honestly change my mind and say the most popular time to make sales, I would say after like 8 or 9 o'clock at night. But the later, the better, honestly. It's so weird. So that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you learned a few things. Again, some things might have been repetitive. If you guys have any secrets of your own and you want to add to the conversation, you can feel free to comment down below. If you're new to Poshmark and you want to sign up, you can use my code. It is KeepinItRad. You get a $10 credit and I also get a $10 credit, so thank you. But yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.